The
reason,
for sneezing. The
reason,
for sneezing is really
quite,
clear. You better in some dirt and blow it out in the air. Your nose gets a
tickle,
because of this dirt. Em đang quay mà. Hey, để người ta nói. Your body
rejects,
it. It showed and it's mud.
Gì đây?
The way that to sneeze is also always the same.
information,
Information is sent to your
lungs,
Tôi đọc hết đâu con này.
from your brain. Many
muscles,
muscle tractor to push that sneeze through. That's your
diaphragm,
belly and chest muscle. Your eyes shut. Your tongue on the roof of your mouth. This
forces,
your nose to blow that breath out. And blow out. It
explodes,
explode with great power. A sneeze can go 100
miles
an hour. One hundred
100 miles. An hour 661 kf ppf.
Are you sick in bed with a cold or the flu? You know that will cause you to sneeze a lot too. Think of a sneeze as a natural
alarm,
A sneeze is a
Defense.
defense that keep us from harm. Next time you sneeze, keep in mind the
Command.
command. Cover your nose with your arm or your hand.
Good job.